right, guys, we got a really cool boat in the shop that we've never ever rigged one of these, and it's a super cool boat. This is a Vexus aluminum 2085S. This is a really cool kind of bass boat, walleye boat hybrid is what I would call it. It's got really cool fold-up seats, but we did a full Garmin install on this boat with some Powerhouse goodies and some boat Logix goodies. Our two favorite things to throw in a boat. So starting off at the back, we've got a standalone Powerhouse 12140. The customer opted to stick with the factory cranking battery and the factory trolling motor batteries. So we've got the boat nice and clean and organized with 5 batteries in this boat. And the big thing we did here is we did our standalone lithium switch kit. So this is, like always, allows the customer to switch between lithium control and cranking control on the electronics. So in the event that electronics battery went dead, we can flip that switch over to cranking. Made our own custom bracket here to get it all nice and clean, fabricated in the back of the boat so it looks factory. Used all Powerhouse trays across all 5 batteries, even though the customer opted to stick with the leads for the trolling motor setup. Everything's powered by our standalone dedicated harness off of our standalone lithium. Gets that nice clean powered electronics. So really simple, clean setup on this boat. We've got a single Garmin EchoMap 166. So this is the new EchoMap 166 on a Boat Logix single panel mount. It is absolutely rock solid. As always, like I like to show on these Boat Logix mounts, I can literally rock the boat and that graph is not moving. Really cool setup. Customer wanted this graph to be at a certain height, so we even got a modified gimbal from Boat Logix, and it's an adjusted height that allows us to get the perfect height over the windshield where sitting in the chair the customer can see over the graph. Moving to the front, we've got the GLS 10 box mounted really nice and clean right here on the front of the rod box with a Boat Logix wire flange for nice clean wire transition. What's really important on aluminum boats is protecting wire anywhere you're cutting a pass through, and that wire flange is probably one of the best things to use on a boat from Boat Logix. Up here at the bow, we've got a Boat Logix dual panel mount featuring a Garmin 166 with a Garmin 126 SV with a live scope bundle and a Garmin Force Pro. It is a full Garmin setup, taking advantage of essentially their one networking system throughout the boat. What we did also for this customer is, one thing we found on these Vexuses is this bow panel, this fiberglass panel, is just screwed into the boat. I don't like screws in a boat. So we've changed all these out for through bolts that actually through bolts this fiberglass shroud to the aluminum top cap, and then the Boat Logix plate has their signature flange plate that allows this to be one through bolt system. Like I showed at the console, same thing. I can rock the boat and the graphs don't move. You talk about a big water setup, this is a big water setup. Super clean install. We're getting ready to take it to the lake to water test it. I absolutely love the color on this boat. I am a fan for OD green. Any of my hunting friends out there, and this is a pearl on an OD green. We don't see this often, so anytime we get a cool boat that's a cool color, we love it here at the shop. So if you guys are ever looking to get a full Garmin install like this, or you're looking to do a mix match system, give us a call or check us out at SonarProsElectronics.com.